In this lesson, we are going to talk about ratios. Ratios are basically comparisons. And basically what we're doing is we're comparing a certain set of objects to another set of objects. So let's say in this picture that I have up here, let's say that we want to compare triangles to squares. We would write the ratio as however many triangles there are, and there are 1, 2, 3 triangles. So the ratio would be 3 colon to the number of squares, and there are 2 triangles, so the ratio would be 3 colon 2. Now there are 3 different ways to write a ratio. You can write it with a colon, you can write it with the word 2, so it would be 3 to 2 like that, or you can write it as a fraction, 3 over 2. Okay, so another comparison we could make would be circles to triangles. Okay, so if we did that one, we have 1 circle to 3 triangles, so it'd be 1 colon 3. You could write it as 1, 2, 3, and you could write it as 1 over 3. Okay, let me do one more example. Let's say we did squares to the total amount of shapes. So in this case, we have 2 squares and we have 6 total shapes. So it would be 2 to 6. But in this case, you can actually simplify that because you can divide them both by 2. So if you do 2 divided by 2, you actually get 1. And 6 divided by 2, you get 3. So the ratio is 1 colon 3. Then you could also do 1, 2, 3, and 1 over 3. So in the instances where you can simplify, you definitely need to simplify. So that's a little summary of how to write a ratio.